One of the assignments that you'll have throughout the semester is to regularly connect with one of your classmates. And I have this set up every couple of weeks. It'll be part of the engagement part of your week. And the idea is that you'll spend about 20 minutes discussing together what you're learning in the class. The first half of the class, I'll especially ask you to spend a couple minutes talking about how your experiences are with the emotionally healthy spirituality day by day exercises. And the second half of the class, I'll ask you to talk about the touch point exercises we'll be doing together in Tara Owen's Embracing the Body. The assignment, when they're assigned those weeks, will take you about 20 minutes. I ask you to really respect that time and not go longer than 20 minutes, but I want each of you to have 5 or 10 minutes to talk about anything else you want to in class, but also specifically how those assignments are going, what you're connecting with or what you're not connecting with, and just how it is for you. And just to have a chance to get to know somebody else in the class a little better. But I really want you to stick within that 20-minute time frame. If you agree ahead of time that you want to spend more time any particular week, that's fine. But if you don't plan it in advance, I need you to stay pretty strictly within that 20-minute timeline, because we really want to respect each other's time. Many people that are taking these courses have very, very full lives. And so I just want to make sure that nobody feels put upon by this. But I do hope that you find this a great opportunity to get to know somebody else and to have a chance to verbally process some of what you're learning in the class. Toward the end of the semester, after you've had lots of experiences doing this together, I'll ask you for some specific feedback in a journal entry that only I will see. And I'll invite you there to tell me how this experience has been for you. But of course, in the meanwhile, if you have any questions or problems, you can certainly email me or call me, and I'd be happy to work through things with you. In past years, students have generally found this assignment really a blessing. They're encouraged and they enjoy getting to talk with somebody else in the class. So you can do that in whatever way it makes sense for the two of you, whether it's a telephone call or a Zoom session or Google Hangouts or FaceTime or Skype or email, whatever makes sense for the two of you to connect and talk. That's fine with me. So I'll leave that up to you. And I will be sure to post who your discussion partner is before the first week that is assigned. So I'll send an email out to let you know I've done that, so you know when to look for it. But I hope you really enjoy the assignment and find it encouraging to get to know somebody else who is here at the seminary with you and in this class together with you. Enjoy.